Okay, here we are at Gorongosa National Park, ready to identify this small deer-like creature. We are going to use the top bar on the right that has like solid color, horns, tail, and build. And I'm going to start by clicking on like. Unfortunately, you can't see on your screen everything that I can see, but you can see 7 black boxes. The first box is cat or dog-like creature. Well, we know that's not right. We know it's not a cow or horse. We think it's a deer or antelope, which is our third choice, antelope or deer. I'm then going to choose a build because this is clearly not a large antelope or deer. And I have 5 options here. I'm going to choose the small build deer or antelope-like creature. And I get these different options of creatures: a rodent, a Suni, an oribi, a klipspringer, and a duiker. You can choose the background of the animal's skin or fur, and I would say that this one is solid, so I'm going to choose the solid option. And it doesn't have horns, so I'm not going to click on horns. I can't tell what color it is because it's in black and white, and I cannot see its tail, so I will not click on that. So now I'm going to go through the options that are here. I'm going to click on the duiker, a small deer-like antelope with a thin short tail and colors ranging from blue-gray to red, depending on the species. Well, maybe it's this. It's hard to say because I can't see the nose and the face. Let me see what it's confused with. The description of the oribi is as slender and taller than a duiker, with a flat back, white underbelly, and prominent black spots below the ears. Well, I'm not seeing prominent black spots below the ears. So let me check out the next creature. This picture isn't very clear, but if I click on the black dots, I can look at the other pictures they provide. And this face is very different from the face I'm looking at here, so I know it's not a klipspringer. My last option is a Suni, a smaller than a duiker and lacks the black frame on their snout. So let me look at the other options of what it looks like. It's very hard to tell because of there's no frame of reference in this picture for the size. This looks like a very small creature, but potentially the ears look the same. So I think it's between this creature and the duiker. So I'm going to look at the other pictures of this. I don't see these little horns. So I'm going to guess that perhaps this seems very short. No. I am going to go for this creature, the duiker, and I may be pronouncing that wrong. How many do I see? I see 1. Is it resting? Is it standing, moving, eating, interacting? Well, it is standing. Are there young present? No, there are not. Do I see any horns? No. I have entered information for each of the categories, and so now I can click on identify. And that was what I'm identifying this as. I could be wrong, but hopefully enough scientists will look at this picture, citizen scientists, and will come up with a consensus answer. So I'm going to click on done. When that happens, I get a new picture to identify. So I would like you all to do 5 of these citizen science pictures for today's assignment. Good luck, citizen scientists.